Welcome, today I am with Motorola Moto G200 and I will show you how we can apply tempered glass on display in this phone. So at the first, let's open the box with the tempered glass. Inside we'll find this glass and also these two wipes, wet and dry. At the first we are going to start with the wet one, and unfortunately it comes dry, it's not wet, so you can use window cleaner, apply a little bit on the wipe, and then we can clean the display. Make moves like that in the circle, and when everything is fine, when you remove fingerprints, greasy marks and dust, you can remove these wet marks after the wet cleaning with the dry wipe. Okay, right now we have to grab the glass, remove this foil, next grab your tempered glass like that, and start from the upper section. You can highlight your screen. We have to put it correctly for the both edges, so I'm gonna put it like that at the top. I'm gonna put my finger right here to hold the glass, and then we have to do the same for the bottom. Okay, everything is fine, so I'm gonna put the bottom part. And take a look. Lock the screen, and it goes almost automatically. You can press with your finger to make it faster. Right now we can spot here this kind of the marks under the tempered glass. It's the glue mark, so how to remove it? That's very simple. Grab your wipe and then just press on them. They will disappear. Okay, and right now we can turn on the screen, and as you can see, everything is fine, no problem with the touch interaction, so you don't have to be afraid of applying this kind of the protection of your Motorola Moto G200 screen. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.